Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. It's been a while since we've done a bit of a shop tour, so we thought we'd do just a quick one this morning. This is our Shop Hop quilt sample and our little dress out of the Shop Hop fabric, starting June 1st, running through the whole month of June. And this is what you'll see when you get here. Lots of fun stuff. I'm going to head towards the back so you can see everything we've got back here. We've got a section of purses, a lot of brights. These are what we call our Simply six half-yard quilts, six half-yard packages that make a nice throw-sized quilt. They come with a free pattern. Fun things for spring. We are a Brother Sewing and Embroidery Machine Service and Sales Center. A lot of embroidery supplies, batting, machines to test drive. We have the whole series of I've Got Hue layer cakes in all different colors, as well as a small wool corner, Floriani and Isacord threads. We just picked up 80 colors of Aurifil as well. We always have a well-stocked value area. And that gives you a feel for the main room of the shop. And I'm going to walk back here into our kids and clothing area. We have a nice selection of wide back fabrics, kids' books, quilts, panels, projects for kids. We also have a nice selection of the Quilter's Cuddle. That's the new Cuddle, soft and fuzzy, but a little bit less snap, so a little easier to sew. We also have a selection of clothing fabrics and patterns, some linen, canvas, a little bit of silk, some knits, and we do have the Simplicity McCall's and New Look pattern books that you can order from, as well as a small selection that we keep in stock. I'm going a little fast here, but we want this to be a quick tour for you so you know what to expect when you get here. And this is our little more vintage area, flowers, outdoor fabrics, novelty, rulers. And that goes back out into the main area where we just were. And then we come up into what we call the modern room, which is a little bit more modern style, bright fabrics, geometrics. That is our Trailing Flowers quilt. That is an online video class. Books, different projects. This quilt is another one of our Simply 6, where you get the 6 half yards and a pattern included with that. Some cafe, a nice selection of solids, a fair bit of Tim Holtz and Marcia Durst as well. And that brings us around back to where we started. Hope you enjoyed the tour. We look forward to seeing you as you travel this summer. Thanks.